cute ScrunchMiez design that I have gotten. Oh, they look so cute on my hair. Pull the string to remove the scrunchies. Unclip the elastic band and hook it onto your back. Look how cute! I'm gonna open my second ScrunchMiez. You know that there's 30 ScrunchMiez designs to be collected. Let's check off the design checklist. Thank you for spending time with me. Go get your own ScrunchMiez. They make such wonderful going out pals.